Today I show you one of the beautiful location at Mussoorie Road. This is upcoming gate to society, which is villa and plots upcoming here. With a scenic location, Dehradun facings, mountain facings, plots and villa at foothills of Dehradun. जैसा ही दोस्तों आप देख रहे हो, ये प्लॉटिंग जो है बिल्कुल हाईवे के पास है और पहाड़ों के ऊपर है। खासियत ये है, बहुत सॉलिड एंट्री है इसकी, विद मास्टर 30 फीट रोड एज वेल एज दी 40 फीट रोड। एक्सेस एंट्री बहुत हाईवे से कनेक्टेड है और लगभग प्लॉट्स जो हैं 180 स्क्वायर यार्ड से लेके 300 स्क्वायर यार्ड तक के प्लॉट हैं। 30,000 स्क्वायर यार्ड्स के हिसाब से रेट लगेगा, 30,000 रुपये गज के हिसाब से रेट लगेगा इसका, स्क्वायर यार्ड के हिसाब से। R3 का टाइटल है। MDDA भी सैंक्शन के लिए हुई है, फाइल होगी हुई सैंक्शन।
Hello guys, a very happy new year, coming new year to you. This is Vijinder. Today I am telling you one of the very beautiful sight. This is one of the best sight I have ever seen in my life in Dehradun. Just take a look of this particular place. This is Shahanchai Resort, one of the best resort of Dehradun. This whole site is surrounded by Mussoorie, Township. Just take a look, beautiful. Just take a look of the sun, rising sun. Just take a look. And this plotting is there. One of the best plotting. One of the best plotting you'll ever have. Just at the back of this, you'll find villas. We are making so many villas. 15 to 20 villas over there. And this site is totally, and the road of this particular site is, you can believe it, exclusively 30 to 40 feet of road. 30 to 40 feet of road. So you can enjoy this particular site very well. Very well. Come and invest your money here. This is one of the beautiful location of Dehradun. Thank you very much.